Hey guys, Slasher Movies 410 back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from ghostfacekid101. So yeah, this is a part of a trade that we're doing. This just arrived at my front door not too long ago, so I'm really excited. And as you can see, I sort of pre-opened it already because I didn't want that to take too much time for the video. So yeah, let's get right into this unboxing. Let me just bounce the camera over here. There we go. Cut it a bit more over here. The knife that I'm using is complete and utter shit. Yep, I really need to get a sharper knife. There we go. God damn. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. Oh, nice. I can already see what's in the bag. I can already see what's inside the bag. So, yeah, I gotta get this bag open. Let me just place the camera down here. Oh, man. Holy crap, here it is, guys. Finally. The Henry Post mask. Let me just take all this stuff out. So yeah, this is definitely going to get a review, and this is going to be in my short film. I'm not sure, the release date hasn't been, there's no official release date, so yeah, when there is one, I'll let you guys know ASAP. So yeah, wow, this is a lot of detail. So yeah, this will definitely be getting a review. And the strap system looks a little bit complicated, but I'll probably figure it out. So yeah, there's that. And this will be the next thing. And this is going to be the knife for my killer. As you can see, it is a custom-made sheath. This is really, really nice. Yeah, I'm going to have to bounce you over here again because I want to take the knife out of the sheath. It's a custom knife, by the way. It's not real. It's made of foam. Be careful. Here it is. This is a really nice looking knife. So yeah, there's that. So I got the Henry Post mask, the knife, and the sheath. And now I got some more stuff in here. I think it's just one more thing. And here it is. An Owen Trent mask, the new updated Owen Trent mask. This is really, really nice. I'll just give you a close-up right here. So yeah, thank you ghostfacekid101 for the stuff. I don't think there's anything left in there. Yep. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Everything here will definitely be getting a review. I'll probably review all this stuff together, and then I'll review the Owen Trent mask. So yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later with some more videos.